Yes. We can begin.
Please show me the next slide.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so we all know the numbers, right? We all know counting from 1 to 50 or 1 to 100. We all know what are even and odd numbers also. So here I have 4 problems with me. We will discuss all the problems one by one. So the first problem here is I'm going to read that problem and you have to think what will be the answer for that. Okay, this is kind of a puzzle. So you all have to solve it. You have to be very careful while I will be reading it. So here we have, I am an odd number. Okay, do you all remember what is an odd number? Okay, anyone who wants to answer it? Anshu, okay. Yes, Anshu. What is an odd number? Unmute yourself. Yes.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11.
Yes, very good. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Saran and Chet, I will ask you also, but just wait for some time. So I am an odd number. This is clear that the number is an odd number. I am more than 40. That means the number is more than 40. And I am less than 42. There is a number which is 1 more than 40 and 1 less than 42. And it is an odd number. So what do you think? What is that number? I am writing it also. The number is more than 40. That means we have 40. The number is more than 40 and it is less than 42. Okay, so we have Saran, Avyan. Okay, Avyan, you tell us what will be the answer. What do you think?
41.
41. Okay, Advita, what is your answer?
41.
41. Chet, your answer?
41.
41. And Saran, your answer is also 41?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So here, I had a problem that I am an odd number. I am more than 40. I am less than 42. I had 3 situations and uske baad hame answer mila 41. And all of you were right. Okay, so like this we have problems and we will discuss these problems. Let's move to the next problem. Yes,
You
ma'am.
can share your screen.
Okay.
I've enabled the option.
मैम ठीक है सुना इधर आओ बेटा.
So this is the next problem. We have done this first problem. Now we will move to the next problem. Listen to me very carefully. I am 2-digit number. Okay, this is a 2-digit number. 2-digit numbers like 11, 45. So we can see all these numbers are 2-digit numbers. So this is 2-digit number. I am more than 40. 40 से ज़्यादा है one number. Less than 43. And I am an even number. Okay, so there are 4 conditions, 4 situations are there. This is 2-digit number, this is more than 40, this is less than 43, and this is an even number.
I don't know.
Okay, everyone knows the answer. So I think we are going to go one by one. One by one, everyone will get the turn. We'll start from Rhea. Yes, Rhea, what's your answer?
42.
Okay, Rhea says her answer is 42. Saran, what's your answer?
42.
42. Advita, what's your answer?
42.
42. Avyan?
42.
42. Chet?
12.
42.
42.
Can you tell me how did you find this answer?
I don't know these answers.
You
Yes,
don't know.
I knew it, but it's okay. See, Chet, can you tell me which number is 1 more than 40?
42.
1 more than 40.
1 more than 3. 41.
Yes. And what is 1 more than 43?
44.
Yes, 44. What is 1 less than 43? Sorry.
1 less than 43.
Hmm.
41.
1 less than 43 is 41.
42.
42. So we can see we have two answers here. But इसके बाद एक ये भी condition है that it is an even number. So 41 is even or 42 is even? Which number is even?
41.
Even.
41 is even.
42. 42.
2 is even. That means 42 is the correct answer. Okay? Like this we have to solve it. We have to see all the questions and then we have to find the answer. Okay? Let's move to the third one. Avyan, can you read this? The third problem, this one.
I am
Just 1 second. Yes, I
more than 4 tens. I am less than 44. I have 3 ones. What am I?
Yes, so let's understand this problem now. First, 1 more than 4 tens.
I
Ten.
am more than.
I am more than 4 tens. I am more than 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. 40 से ऊपर number है, 40 से बड़ा number है. Then I am less than 43. The number is less than 43. The number is less than 44. Sorry, ma'am. So the number is less than 44. After that, the situation is I have 3 ones. How many ones are there? There are 3 ones. Okay, so many of you are raising hands. What do you think? What is the answer? 3 ones hai, 4 tens hai, or number is less than 44?
43.
43. Okay. Okay. Anshu said it's 43. Yes, Advita, what is your answer?
Saran also said
43.
43.
Okay, Saran also said 43. Yes, Chit. What is your answer?
43.
Shania, what is your answer? What do you think?
43.
Yes, so the answer is 43 here. Now, last problem. Let's solve the last problem of this this slide. So here, I am an even number. I am an even number. I am between 40 and 45. My tens digit is the same as my ones digit. Who am I? Tens and ones digit same है और वो 40 and 50 के कहीं between lie करता है और वो even number है. क्या number हो सकता है वो?
Yes, Riya. Such a big hand. Yes. You're on. Yes, unmute yourself and tell. Riya, unmute yourself.
Which one are you on?
What? The last one.
Yeah, I was asking this question. I am an even number. I am between 40 and 50. My tens digit and my ones digit are same. So what am I?
Saran? Yes?
30.
No, 30 does not lie between 40 and 50.
60.
No, no. Yes, somebody with the red sweater. Yes, girl with red sweater. What's your name? What's her name? Do you remember?
Himakshi.
Himakshi, what's your answer?
44.
44. 44 is the correct answer because 44 lies between 40 and 50. 44 में ones digit भी 4 है और tens digit भी 4 है. दोनों digit same है. So answer is 44.
Number भी है. सबसे पहले यही था ना कि it is an even number. So you had to think कि 40 and 50 के बीच में even numbers कौन कौन से हैं और कौन सा ऐसा number है जिसकी tens digit और ones digit दोनों same है. So that number is 44. Is that clear to everyone?
Did everyone understand? Do we have a doubt here? Oh, Aditya, do you have a doubt? Okay. Okay. So should we move ahead? Simran ma'am, can we move ahead? Yes?
The answer is 44.
Yes, the answer is correct answer is 44. Okay. Now we are done with these questions. We are going to increase the level a little bit. Okay. I want somebody to read this problem for me. Rhea, can you read this problem?
I am a 2-digit number. I have a 4 in the tens place. You say me when you count by twos, I am greater than 46. Who am I?
Okay, okay. I am going to give 1 minute to everyone. Read the problem on your own and try to give an answer. If you can't find an answer, I will explain it to you. Okay, but try to give an answer to me. I will read it again. I am a 2-digit number, so there are tens and ones in the number. I have a 4 in the tens place. Okay, so the number is going to be between 41 and 49. Tens place for number 4 hai. You see me when you count by twos. So it comes in the skip counts of 2. And I am greater than 46. Who am I? We have some hand raises. Shania, yes, what's your answer?
48.
Shania says 48. Okay, I'm going to listen to everyone's answers and then I'll tell the correct answer. Anshu, what's your answer?
48.
Anshu says 48. Saran?
48.
Saran says 48. We have 3 answers. What about others? Avyan, do you have an answer?
I also think 48 only.
You think 48. Okay, what about Advita?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, I'll explain it to you. Chet, could you find the answer?
I don't know that.
Okay, okay. Yes, Priya? Yes?
48.
48. Okay, Himakshi, could you answer?
48.
48. Okay, so we have a common answer from 5 children, which is 48, and some of us couldn't understand. Okay, so I'm going to explain the process again. How do we find? Okay, Simran ma'am, can you enable the annotate option?
Yes. It's enabled.
Okay, so I will start with the first step. Okay, so the first step is I am a 2-digit number. A 2-digit number means a 2-digit number means that my number will have tens also and ones also. Can you see my text?
No.
Okay, let's do it. My number will have a tens place number and then a ones place number. Okay, there will be 2 digits, tens and ones. Then somebody tells me from the second hint that I have a 4 in the tens place, number 4. So I put a 4 here. Okay, that means which all numbers start with 4? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay, so these are the numbers. So that means our answer is going to be one of these numbers. You see me when you count by twos. That means in the skip counts of 2, this number comes. Okay, now in the skip counts of 2, which all number comes? All those numbers which are even. So 42 will come, 44, 46 and 48. These 4 numbers are left. Okay, do we have a doubt till here? Any doubt still here? Yes, Advita, what's your doubt? Advita, do we have a doubt?
I am unable to understand.
You are unable to understand.
I also can't understand.
What?
Just 1 second. I am explaining it. Just give me 1 minute. So there are 2-digit numbers. Okay? 2-digit numbers means we have tens and we have ones. 2-digit number तभी होगा ना जब हमारे पास tens और ones होगा. इतना clear है? Next thing is I have 4 in tens place. 4 in tens place मतलब 4 tens है. We have 4 tens. 4 tens means 4 tens. हमने यहाँ पे tens के नीचे 4 लिख दिया. You say me when you count by twos. 4 tens we can say it's 40. So 40 के बाद you have to count two numbers. 40 and if you add 2 in it, what will you get? 40 के बाद 2 counts करो, क्या आंसर आएगा?
42.
42. 42 के बाद 42 plus 2?
44. 44.
44 के बाद 2 और ऐड करो?
46.
46 then 2 और ऐड करो?
48.
Yes. Okay. So 4 tens, they said it's 4 in tens place. And then we have to count by twos. Then they say, I am greater than 46. 46 से greater हूँ मैं. तो 46 से greater तो हमारे पास 1 ही number है ना बस? है ना? 46 के बाद 1 ही number है. That is 48. That means the answer will be, what will be the answer? 48. Is that clear now? Is that clear? Chet and Advita? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
48. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Now you can move forward.
Okay, so we have the answer to be 48 in this one. Let's move to the next slide. One more ahead. Okay, so now we have a dice problem here. Okay, we have a lot of dice and we need to find what will come in this last box, the pink box that I am making. There are two big question marks. Okay, how do we find that? I am going to explain it one step by one step. In the first dice, we have 2 dots here and we have 0 dots here. Is that okay? 2 dots in the first one, 0 dots in the next one. Okay. If you have a doubt, you can just raise your hand. In the next one, I have 1 dot here and I have 3 dots here. Is that okay? Okay, let's move forward. We have 4 dots here and we have 2 dots here, right? Is that right? Okay, I'm just counting the number of dots and I'm writing the numbers. Okay, I am going to ask you something now. Can Advita tell me, Advita, what is 2 minus 0?
2 minus 0 is 2.
2 minus 0 is 2. Absolutely right. Can Mehraj tell me what is 3 minus 1?
3 minus 1, 4.
3 minus 1. We are removing 1. Yes, 2. 2 is absolutely correct. And next we have Chet. Chet, can you tell me what is 4 minus 2?
4. 2.
4 minus 2 is 2. So we see in every dice we have the minus, this difference to be 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. My next question is for Anshu. Anshu, can you tell me what will happen in the next dice? We have 3 dots here and we have 5 dots here. So can I write? Yes. 5 minus 3 is? 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. Now every dice has the difference to be 2. So that means the last question mark, the secret dice will also have the difference to be 2. Okay. Let's see which option has the difference to be 2. I'm going to clear my screen. Do we have a doubt till here? Okay. So let's start with option number A. Okay. My question is for Avyan. Avyan, we have 6 dots here and we have 5 dots here. 6 minus 5 is?
6 minus 5 is 1.
1. Absolutely correct. That means 1 is the difference. So we cannot say that is correct. Okay. So can I cut the first option? Yes, Himakshi, are you saying something?
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
Can I come 1 minute?
Yes, yes, you can. No issues. Okay. So first option is incorrect. Let's come to the second option. Yes, Avyan, do you have a doubt?
No, but I know the correct answer.
Okay, okay. I'll come to the correct answer. Okay. Anshu's turn is done. Anshu, I will come to you in the next problem. Okay. I need to ask this question to Saran. Saran, we have 5 dots here and 5 here. So 5 minus 5 is?
5.
5 minus 5 is?
0.
0. Absolutely correct. So I have 0 here answer. In the first, the answer was 1. In the second, the answer is 0. That means this option is also incorrect. Okay. Because we need to get the answer to be 2. Okay. Let's see if C is also correct. हो सकता है C भी गलत हो. तीनों गलत options दे दिए और हमें खुद से बनाना कोई option. ठीक है. Let's see. ठीक है. अब ये question होगा शनाया के लिए. शनाया, मेरे पास
I'm not feeling well, ma'am.
you're not feeling well. Himakshi, do you want to leave?
Yes.
Okay, okay. It's okay. You can leave. Take care, please.
Okay.
We have 4 dots in the first and 6 dots here. Shanaya, can you tell me what is 6 minus 4?
2.
6 minus 4 is 2. We finally got the answer to be 2. Can we say this option, C option is the correct one? Can I say that? Okay, Advita and Abhyan says yes in the first row. Saran and Anshu, can we say
Yes.
yes? Saran, can we say yes? Okay. Rhea and Mehraj, can we say yes?
Yes.
Rhea, do you have a doubt? Okay.
No.
Shanaya and Chet, can we say yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Because
great.
when we subtract, when we just minus, when we just minus 4. Okay, when we have full 6 chocolates, I just give 4 chocolates to my friend. Then it will be 2 chocolates left for me.
Yes. Right. Absolutely right. That's a wonderful example. Can we move ahead? Should we move ahead? Simran ma'am, can we move ahead? Okay. I'm going to clear my screen. Now we have a balloon problem here. Okay. We need to find which number is on which balloon. And Simran ma'am is going to explain it to all of you. Listen carefully. We need some interesting answers.
See, everyone, we have 3 colors of balloons, right? We have blue color also, we have green color and we have yellow color. So हमें क्या करना है, इन 3 balloons की values find करनी है कि what is the, how many blue balloons are there, how many yellow balloons and how many green balloons. So let's start with the first one. First one is blue plus green is equal to 10. That means number of blue balloons plus number of green balloons is equal to 10. We don't know how many blue balloons are there. We don't know how many green balloons are there. Now, let's move to the next thing. We have yellow balloons plus yellow balloons is equal to 8. कि हमारे पास yellow balloons भी हैं, कुछ yellow balloons हैं, and then we have some more yellow balloons and it is equal to 8. Now, we can see कि these 2 balloons are equal in number. ठीक है, जितने yellow balloons यहाँ पर हैं, उतने ही येलो बलून्स यहाँ पर हैं और जिनका टोटल आंसर 8 है कि टोटल हमारे पास येलो बलून्स 8 है. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज वी कैन फाइंड कि येलो बलून्स कितने थे. टोटल 8 है. 8 को अगर आपने इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है 2 में, सो आपको क्या लगता है येलो बलून्स कितने कितने होंगे. यहाँ पे कितने येलो बलून्स हैं और यहाँ पे कितने बलून्स हैं. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस. कौन बताएगा मुझे. इफ वी हैव 8 एंड वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट इन 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स. Okay, Anshu. Yes, Anshu? 4. Okay, Saran, your answer?
4 plus 4.
4 plus 4. Okay, 4 plus 4. Yes, yes, Advita, Avyan.
We can divide it.
We can divide it. We can divide 8 in 2. So, that means...
4 plus 4.
Yes, 4 plus 4. So 4
plus
4 yellow balloons are here and 4 plus 4 is 8. Now we know कि हमारे पास yellow balloons कितने हैं total, है ना? We have total 4 yellow balloons. I can write 4 here also. We have total 4. तो अगर यहाँ पे 4 था, ये वाला yellow 4 था, let's take this yellow also 4. Okay? This yellow is also 4. Now yellow प्लस ग्रीन इज इक्वल टू 5. ठीक है, येलो की वैल्यू सबको पता है. येलो इज 4. येलो इज 4. कैन वी फाइंड हाउ मेनी ग्रीन बलून्स आर देयर. 4 प्लस ग्रीन इज इक्वल टू 5. यस मेहराज, व्हाट इज योर आंसर. आई थिंक यू आर समथिंग. 1. Okay, Saran is also saying 1. Yes, Chet, your answer. 1. Very good, all of you. That means now we...
Ma'am, 1. We add 1 in 4 to make 5.
Yes, we add 1 in 4 to make 5. Now we know कि हमारे पास green balloons भी कितने थे. Green balloons were 1 in number. So now we have found yellow, we have found green. Last problem is we have to find how many blue were there. But green का तो हमें पता है. Green was 1. I can write 1 here. So dash, that means blue color balloons plus 1 is equal to 10. तो blue की value क्या होगी ऐसे? How many?
9.
9?
9.
Yes. Yes. So that means blue balloons are 9 in number.
Rhea, can you also answer? We did not have any answers from you.
What do I answer?
Number of blue balloons.
Rhea, did you understand the problem?
No.
No.
Okay. Okay. Anyone else who thinks there is a confusion? Okay. So
Avyan, your answer is correct.
let me explain this to Rhea. So Rhea, see what were we doing here? We were finding number of balloons. ठीक है? We were finding कि total balloons कितने कितने हैं. How many blue balloons were there? How many yellow balloons were there? And how many green balloons were there? Okay? Is the question clear to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, question is okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So Rhea, in the first one, we can see we have blue balloons and green balloons. Total number of blue balloons and green balloons is equal to 10. We don't know how many blue are there, how many green are there. So what did we do? We moved to the next one. Next one was yellow plus yellow is equal to 8. See Rhea, 2 yellow balloons hai. 2 yellow balloons ka meaning ye hai that both of them are equal in number. Number of yellow balloons are equal. तो आप मुझे ये बताओ which two numbers same number makes 8?
4 and 4.
Yes, 4 and 4 makes 8. So I'm writing 4 here. We got the value of yellow. Yellow की value हमें पता चल गई. It's 4. ठीक है? Now I can write 4 here also because here also we had a yellow balloon. So I have written 4 here. Now 4 plus what makes 5?
1.
1. I am writing 1. We got the value of green also. ठीक? इतना clear है? Now the last thing is, the only thing left is we have to find blue balloons. Green was 1. So 1 plus what makes 10?
9.
9. So we got blue balloons also. That is, blue balloons are 9 in number. Clear? We got all the balloons, all the number of balloons. Blue also, yellow also, green also. Is that clear to every one of you? Okay, very good. Let's move to the next problem.
No, one more.
Okay. Okay, so this is another problem and you all have to solve it yourself. ठीक है? आप सब देखो कि इसकी वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड करेंगे हम. So we have dash -9 is equal to a diamond. We have this remote control game is equal to these pins. 7 plus 1 is equal to diamond plus diamond. Then we have these pins. Then we have diamond plus this game is equal to question mark. अब एक एक करके हमने इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना है. मैम, कैन यू प्लीज हेल्प देम टू सॉल्व दिस?
या श्योर. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट बाय सॉल्विंग दिस प्रॉब्लम. अभी तो क्या था ना, अभी हमारे पास सिर्फ थ्री कलर्ड के बलून्स थे. ठीक है, तो अभी क्या हो रहा था कि हमने फटाफट से बलून्स की वैल्यू निकाली और हो गया. अब हमारे पास एक डायमंड है, bowling pins hai, video game hai. How do we find this solution? Okay, so I'm going to help everyone and I want everyone to please listen carefully. Chet, Anshu, Rhea, Saran, Advita, Avyan, Shanaya, Mehraj, everyone listen to this carefully. Avyan, do you have a doubt? Okay. Do you want to say something? Yes.
I think I figured out the diamond's value.
Okay. So I will ask you the answer and then you can tell me, okay? I'll explain the problem to everyone first and then we'll do the answer round. Okay. So, bowling pins -9 is equal to a diamond. We don't know the value of bowling pins. We don't know what is a diamond. So, I'm going to leave it here, okay? I will move to the next step where I can find the value. Next step is they tell me remote control is equal to bowling pin. So let's say remote control is 1. So bowling pin will also be 1. If remote control is 4, so bowling pin is also going to be 4. They will be of the same value. यहाँ तक सबको clear है? कोई doubt? Chet, any doubt? Mehraj, Chet, Anshu, any doubt still here? Okay, let's move ahead. Now we have a number balance. 7 plus 1 equal to diamond plus diamond. Who is going to tell me what is 7 plus 1? Chet, can you tell me what is 7 plus 1?
7 plus 1 is diamond to diamond.
No,
what is the answer?
What is 7 plus 1?
Okay, like we Okay. 8.
Yes, 8 is the correct answer. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is 8. I'm going to write it here. Chet answered it very well. 7 plus 1 is 8. And we are given diamond plus diamond is also 8. Okay, which two same numbers will make the number 8? Saran, which two numbers will make the number 8?
10 plus 1 and diamond plus diamond.
So diamond plus diamond is 8. So I'm asking which number will be making 8 if I have to use the same number. Advita, yes?
4 and 4.
4 and 4,
Raj,
yes.
you can also answer it. Can you please answer? Which
Ma'am,
two
4
numbers will
and 4.
4 and 4. Okay. Does everyone agree on 4 and 4? Do we have a different answer? Okay, everyone agrees. So we have the value of diamond to be 4. So I am going to write a big number 4 on each and every diamond. Number 4, so that we know the answer for diamond is 4. Okay. So we have found the value of Mr. Diamond. Now we come to bowling pins and we come to the gaming remote control. Okay. Let's clear the screen so we have clarity. We have this to be 4. Now, diamond is 4 and bowling pin minus 9 is 4. Dash minus 9 is 4. Okay. What is dash minus 4? 9 equals to 4. Can anyone try to answer this? Yes, Anshu?
13.
Anshu says 13. Who else can try? Yes, Riya?
13.
Riya says 13. Riya, can you explain how is it 13?
Because 9 plus, if from the 4 you take 1, it equals to 10 and 3 is less than 10 plus 3 is 13.
10 plus 3 is 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. I'm going to write it. Saran, listen carefully. 9 plus 4 is 13. I'm asking everyone to please pay attention. 9 plus 4 is 13. And if we are removing 9 from here, so 4 is left. That means 13 minus 9 is 4. Do we have a doubt here? Advita is clear, I guess. Avyan, any doubts? Do we have any doubts? If anyone has any doubts, they can raise their hand. Okay, let's move ahead then. So that means the value of bowling pins is 13. Okay, we have the answer to be 13 here. This is 13 and this is 4. So, yes.
I think I figured out the video game value.
Yes. Okay. I'm just coming to it. Okay, I will clear it and I'm going to choose a different pen. Okay, so we have the diamond to be 4 and gaming pins to be 30. Oh, sorry, bowling pins to be 13. Now, we knew that the value of bowling pins is equal to gaming control. Can I say this is also 13? Can I say that?
Yes.
Do we all agree on this?
Yes.
Can I say? क्योंकि दोनों की वैल्यू इक्वल थी. 4 होता तो दोनों 4 थे. 9 होता तो दोनों 9 थे. 100 होता तो दोनों 100 थे. We got the answer of 1 to be 13. So other one is also 13. Is that clear?
Okay. So
Yes.
now we know. Now we know all the numbers.
Now we
Yes.
know
We don't know the answer of the last one.
You just have to find the last one. Bowling pins plus diamond plus this video game. So 13 plus 4 plus 13. Everyone find the answer. What will be the answer if you add all these three numbers?
Let me write the numbers here for everyone. We have a tens, we have a ones. First number is 13. Second number is also 13. And the last number is 4. You add all the ones together like we did it in the class and then you add all the tens together. Okay. I want everyone to find the answer. We are...
Ma'am,
Yes.
I think I found the answer.
Okay. I will take everyone's answers. I will write your answer here. Avyan, what's your answer?
Ma'am, 30.
Okay. Saran, one by one. Yes, Avyan.
Ma'am, 30.
Okay. Avyan's answer is 30. Saran?
30.
Saran's answer is 30. Anshu?
20.
20.
30.
30. Cool Ray, what's your answer?
30.
30. Chet, what's your answer?
30.
30. Mehraj? Mehraj? Okay. Advita, can you answer? She's doing it.
30.
30. Advita, done?
Everyone's answer is 30.
But we have still 2 people left, so I'm going to ask them as well. Shania, did you find the answer? Yes, Advita.
13.
30. Okay. Okay. So we have all the answers to be 30. 30 is the correct answer. Is that right, Simran ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Can we move ahead, everyone? Do you want to solve more such problems? We can share it with you after the class.
Yes.
Okay. We'll share it. Okay.
Okay.
Let's move ahead.
So this is the next problem. Okay? Listen to me very carefully. This is very interesting problem. You all can do it easily. So we can see 1 and 2 is written here and the other boxes are empty. So we have to fill these boxes, but we have a condition. We have to write the numbers. We can only write 0, 3, 4 and 5. We can write 0, 3, 4 and 5 here, but each of the line should add up to 8. मतलब यहाँ पे आप जो भी numbers लिखोगे ना 0, 3, 4 and 5 में से उनका आंसर ऐड करके 8 होना चाहिए और यहाँ पे भी जो 2 values लिखोगे +1 उसका भी आंसर 8 होना चाहिए. So how will you do it? You just try to write 0, 3, 4 and 5 in these boxes जिनके आंसर when you add up it will become 8. Okay? Is the question clear to everyone? First, just tell me the question. The question is clear or not? Yes, please tell me. Saran, clear? Rhea, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Advita, Anshu, try to solve it. Use your notebooks if you want. Try to write different numbers. It should add up to 8.
Did I miss something?
And the question. 4, 3.
I think someone has said something.
Yes, Advita said she did not understand the question.
Acha, Advita didn't understand the question.
Ma'am,
Yes, Avyan?
I think I found one. Ma'am, I have understand the question.
Okay.
Ma'am, I found the question of those 3.
What about Shania? Shania, have you solved it?
Avyan, we'll come to you in a while, okay? Let me just clear it and then we'll discuss the answer. And there can be multiple answers, so don't worry. Your answer can also be correct. Somebody else's answer can also be correct. We just need to follow the rule. ऐसे भी total 8 होगा और ऐसे भी total 8 होगा. Standing line as well as sleeping line.
Do you have any confusion, Chet? Or is that clear?
I found all.
Yes, Chet, please speak.
The number I got. In the first line, I need make 8. So I first, what is the sleeping line? I will complete that.
Okay.
I need to make 7. So I will take 3 and 4. It will make 7. And we have already 1. We will join them and make 8.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Now think about the standing line also, Chet.
Let's ask Avyan also.
About the standing line.
Yeah, he is really excited.
1 and 2 makes 3. And the 2 boxes are so we have 3 was ready. So we going to pick. Five, 3.
जीरो रे कहाँ ध्यान देते हैं भाई
I need to pick 7 again. So
यहाँ पर
I need to make 8. Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Okay, Shanaya.
Already
For others, I'll explain it.
one. I have already 3 like 1 and 2. So first, the top of the box, I need the top of the box.
Chit, okay, I'm giving one hint to you. 3 and 4, you put 3 and 4 here. According to you, you said you will put 3 and 4. Any other person can get another answer also. Avyan can have some different answer. Everyone can have different answers.
I
But
have for the standing line.
Chit said that she wants to add 3 and 4 here. So Chit, that means 3 and 4 you will not use now. Only 2 numbers are left now. 0 and 5. You have to use these numbers only. Now you can think. Till then, I can ask I can ask Saran also. Saran is raising his hands. Yes,
Can I
Saran.
also say something?
Yes, ma'am.
I also want to say something. We have a suggestion for everyone. Okay, I want everyone to tell me the answers for both sleeping and standing line. Ma'am will explain it once again, and then she will hide the screen. You show the answers to us in your notebook so that we have answers from everyone. Okay, you write the answers in your notebook for sleeping and standing line, make a box, and then we will ask everyone's answers. Okay, Chet, we will come to you once again. Okay, who did not understand the question?
Shanaya, is the question clear to you, or should I explain it?
Saran, please draw it in your notebook so that we can have the answers. I want everyone to draw it.
Okay, it's clear. So anyone else who has confusion in this question, please raise your hand so that we will try to make sure that it's clear to you.
Ma'am, I have. Ma'am, I have.
Okay, please ask.
I have. Ma'am, I do the whole thing.
May I know who is speaking?
Shania.
Okay, so I am explaining the question again. Okay, if anyone has any confusion, please make it sure that it's clear to you. We have to put these 4 numbers 0, 3, 4 and 5 in these boxes. One time you can use only one number, and you have to complete them is according to the addition. That means this standing line number should be equal to 8 and sleeping line number should also be 8. Okay, you can use these 4 numbers. You have to fill these numbers here, here, here and here, and then the answer should be equal to 8. Yahan par bhi 8 and yahan par bhi 8. You have 4 numbers 0, 3, 4 and 5. Try to write the numbers in such a way that you get the addition as 8. Okay, now is that clear?
Ma'am, I have written.
Yes, Saran, I checked it. I sent it to you on text box. Your answer is absolutely correct. Well done.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm done.
Can you show it to us?
Okay.
I can't read it from there. I'll have to hide the screen. Is it okay?
I'll show once again.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Saran, 1 second. 3, 4. Yes, absolutely correct, Avyan. Yes, Saran? You were saying something? No. Okay. So we have...
ma'am,
Yes, done. Advita, can you show it to us? Avyan, I checked it. Absolutely correct. Advita, absolutely correct. Yes. Okay, so we have answers only from 3 people. What about others? I want everyone to make the box and tell me. Anshu, don't show a thumbs up. Make the box.
Also, please make the box. Ask your mom to make the box for you and write the answers in it.
Yes, yes, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, Anshu. Very well done.
Mehraj, are you also making it? Are you doing it?
Yes.
Okay, you have to show it to us, okay? Chit, what happened? Yes, Shania, it's correct.
Shania is correct.
Anshu is left, I guess, or Anshu has answered it. I don't know.
Anshu has answered. Anshu has answered.
What about Rhea?
Rhea is making it. Mehraj is making it. Once we'll just wait for 1 more minute. Let everyone complete it and then we come to the next puzzle. Okay. Okay, we have an answer from Chet. I think she's written what she was saying. Ma'am, can you bring it a little closer? Yes, yes, it's correct.
Yes.
It's correct. Absolutely correct. Very well done, Chet.
Who is left now?
Cool.
Viraj and Rhea.
And Mehraj.
I don't understand.
You don't understand because you were not listening. Rhea, now listen carefully. Ma'am is going to explain you again. Okay, Simran ma'am will explain again and then you will be able to answer quickly. Okay?
Rhea, so is that clear to you that we have to use these 4 numbers? We will use these 4 numbers: 0, 3, 4, and 5. We have to put these 4 numbers in these 4 boxes, but we have to keep this in mind that it should be equal to 8. Let's take this one. It is 1. Look at the screen, please. This is 1, right? Let's take 0 here. 0 and 3. अगर मैंने 0 and 3 यहाँ put किया, is this equal to 8? Is this equal to 8? 0 plus 1 plus 3 is 8? No, that means this is not right. Let's take 4, 3 and 4. If I put 3 and 4, that means we have 3 plus 1 plus 4. Is that equal to 8? Yes, that means these numbers are perfect. We can write 3 and 4 or 4 and 3 here. Ab dekho, we have this standing line now. Dash 1 dash 2. What is 1 plus 2?
1 plus 2 is 3.
Yes, 3. And only 2 numbers are left here, 0 and 5. So I am writing 0 here and 5 here. Now if you add all these numbers, are they equal to 8?
Yes.
That means we have completed this puzzle. We had to write these 4 numbers such that their addition should be equal to 8, and it is done.
Rhea, don't worry. I'll send it to you so you can complete it. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, Avyan, you were raising your hand. What happened? Nothing.
My mistake.
Okay, okay. Can I say something now? Simran ma'am, can I say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So can you show the next slide? Okay, so what we are going to do now is I am going to explain this question to everyone and you are going to try this question at home. Okay, if you have a doubt, you can call me or Simran ma'am, you can text us, you can talk to us and then we will give the solution to you. Okay, but I want everyone to understand this problem. Okay, so listen carefully. What we have to do in the previous problem क्या था कि हमारे पास कुछ number hints given थे already, ठीक है, तो हमने answers जल्दी से निकाल लिए. अभी क्या है कि हमारे पास circle 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 option है, ठीक है, और हमारे पास 5 numbers given है. हमारे numbers क्या हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4 और 5. हमें ये 5 numbers को और यहाँ पर हमारे पास कितने सर्कल्स एम्प्टी हैं? हमारे पास 5 सर्कल्स एम्प्टी हैं, ठीक है. तो हमें 5 नंबर्स को 5 सर्कल्स में ऐसे अरेंज करना है कि हमारे पास स्लीपिंग लाइन का जो सम होगा वो ही सम स्टैंडिंग लाइन का होगा, ठीक है. वो सम कुछ भी हो सकता है. आई डोंट नो दी सम, ठीक है. पहले तो हमें सम पता था ना, हमारे पास सम 8 था. चेत जस्ट लास्ट 5 मिनट्स, आई प्रॉमिस, प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली, ठीक है. हमारे पास जो स्टैंडिंग लाइन का जो सम होगा वही सम स्लीपिंग लाइन का भी होगा, ठीक है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू गिव वन हिंट टू एवरीवन. Let's try this puzzle with the number 5 here. Okay, so I fixed number 5 for you. Now you have to put number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4 so that sleeping line has the same sum as the standing line. Okay, can everyone try? Do we have a doubt? Rhea has a doubt. Yes, Rhea.
Ma'am, but which number? I have a doubt.
Okay.
Which number do we have to make?
Okay, you That I don't know. The sum should be same. Okay, so you can use the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can use these 4 numbers. I fixed one number for you. Okay, I've given you one hint. Let's try with these numbers. Okay.
Do we have to draw it now?
Yes.
Down in this.
Okay. I am doing it on the board. Okay, let's do it together. Advita, Rhea, do you have doubts? Let's do it together on the board. Okay. Should I share it? Okay. Your voice is not coming.
Hello?
Yes. Coming up. I can't see the screen.
Whiteboard is not visible?
No. Share the problem only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to write some numbers here. Let's see how we can fit them. Okay. So our numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All those who have understood the problem, they can do it on their own. They can try. And for others, I'm doing it on the board. Okay. So I have fixed. Yes.
I don't understand which number to make.
That you have to find. That you can decide. It is completely up to you. You have the liberty to decide. Okay. You just have to make sure your sum across the standing line and the sleeping line should be same. Okay. I am trying one method on the board. So I put a 5 here. Yes.
Do we have to draw it?
No. You just have to listen and help me. Can you do that? Okay. So I have put a 5. That means I've already used number 5. Okay. Now 4 numbers are left and 4 circles are left. Okay. I've put a 5 here. If I put 1 here, what is 1 plus 5?
6.
1 plus 5 is 6. Okay. That means I need to put 2 here, 3 here and 4 here. We have 3 options. I cut 1 also now. Let's try with number 2 now. Okay. Let's try with number 2. I put a number. Who has made this? Yes, Saran?
I am done.
Okay, Saran. Okay. Saran, what is your top circle number? Can you tell me the number in your top circle?
We are done. 5 and it makes 6 and 6 plus 4 is 10 and 2 plus 3 is
Yes. Absolutely correct. Okay. So Saran has the
This is Anshu.
Yes, Anshu, I can see it. Saran, Anshu, what is your sum across both the lines?
3 plus 2 5. 4 plus 1 5.
Okay. So what we have done is we have put 5 in the center. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. So the sum of sleeping line is number 10. Let's come to the standing line. Yes.
You can call my sum both 5 or 10.
Yes. I know. 2 plus 5 is 7 and 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay. So we have the answer to be 10 on both the lines. Okay. We don't need to draw. We can share it with you after the class. Okay. And some of the kids are feeling really sleepy. But did we understand? Some people did not. Saran did, Avyan did, Anshu did. Rhea, what about you? Rhea did. Shanaya?
Shania and Chet have done it.
Yes, I did.
Okay. Advita and Mehraj, what about you? Avyan, I got it. That's correct. Advita is doing. Mehraj, do you have a doubt? Mehraj, you are on mute.
I understand.
Who did not understand?
I didn't understand. I'm done.
Okay. Chet did not understand. Yes, Advita?
Done.
Done. Okay, Chet, did you not understand? Okay, Chet, I have 4 numbers. Now look at the board carefully. Okay, I have 5 numbers here. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, and I have 5 circles. I have to put one number in one circle. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, I am giving you a hint. I fix the number 5 in the center. Number 5 is the biggest, so I fix number 5 in the center. Okay? Chet, is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, Chet, now I'm just going to try which number should I put in this sleeping line first. Okay? So let's try with number 1. Okay? Can you tell me what is 1 plus 5?
1 plus 5 is 6.
1 plus 5 is 6. Great. Okay, 1 and 5 are used, so I've cut them. Let's come to number 2. I put the number 2 here on the standing line, right? Is that okay? Okay. Now I'm left with 2 numbers. Let's try with these 2 numbers. I say I put number 4 in the sleeping line. Can you tell me what is 1 plus 5?
1
plus 5.
1
Plus
plus 6.
And 6 plus 4?
6 plus 4.
Chet, what is 6 plus 4?
10.
10. Absolutely correct. Okay. So, Chet, that means the sum of sleeping line is 10. We have to make the sum of standing line should also be 10, right? So, Chet, can you tell me what is 2 plus 5?
2 plus 7.
7. And we are left with only number 3. If I put number 3 here, what will be 7 plus 3?
10.
10. So do we have the same sum on both the lines? 10 on the sleeping line and 10 on the standing line. Do we have that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is just my method of arranging the numbers. Maybe you can put any other number in other circles and then you can get different answers. Okay, so the rule is both the lines should have the same sum. Did you get it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So we are moving ahead. Simran ma'am, do we have the time to move ahead?
We have one more problem. I think we should do one more problem.
Okay, okay. Let's do it. It's a very, very easy and interesting problem. Last problem.
Very small amount of time. So we have this question. All of you, please look at the screen, okay? This is very interesting. So we have different numbers written here and it's kind of a triangle. Okay? It's kind of a triangle. Now we can see a triangle-like shape here. So we have 1 here. Okay? We have written 1 here. In the next line, we have 1 and 1. Okay? In the next line, we have 1, 2, 1. Then 1, 3, 3, 1. 1, 4, question mark, 4 and 1. We have to find which number is written here instead of question mark. ठीक है, हमें ये find करना है. So we can see यहाँ से we had 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 1 plus 1 is equal to? 1 can answer 2. Right. So we can see 1 and 1 was 2. Now in the next one, if we add these 2, yes?
Its answer is 6.
Okay, Saran. We will see whether right or wrong. First I am explaining it, then हम देखते हैं कि सरन का आंसर ठीक था कि नहीं था. ठीक है? So it is 1 and 2. 1 plus 2, 3 is written here in between 1 and 2. Then 2 and 1, 2 plus 1 is also 3. It's written here. अब इससे next वाली line पे 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 is written here. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 is written here. अब हमें find करना है question mark. So we will find what is 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is what?
6.
6. That means we have to write 6 here and this is our answer.
So Saran's answer was right. Avyan, did you get it now?
Saran was right.
Avyan को नहीं समझ आया.
अच्छा, अव्यान, okay, अव्यान को समझ में नहीं आया. और किसी को समझ में नहीं आया? Okay, I am explaining it again. So, Avyan, what were we doing here? हम ना हर एक लाइन नंबर्स को ऐड कर करके चेक कर रहे थे कि हमारा आंसर सेम है कि नहीं है. So this was 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is what, Avyan?
2.
2. 2 is written here in between these 1 and 2 numbers. 1 and 1 number. ठीक है, यहाँ पे लिखा होगा. Okay. Now in the next row we have 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 3 is written here. And if we look at these two numbers, 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is what?
3.
3 is also written here. Now in the next row, we have 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to?
4.
4 is written here. Then 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is also 4.
4.
4 is written here. अब हमारे पास ये 3 and 3 है. If we add these two numbers, we will get the answer for this question mark. So what is 3 plus 3?
3 plus 3 is 6.
That means this question mark is number 6. The answer is 6. That's it. Is that clear?
Yes.
Any confusion to anyone?
Does anyone know the name of this triangle?
Ones.
Once. Okay. Anyone else?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. Okay.
Okay. I'll tell you the name of this triangle.
Number tower.
Number tower. Very interesting. Okay. Yes, Saran?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. Okay.
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
But Eiffel Tower is in Paris. How will we bring it here?
Computer Eiffel Tower.
Computer Eiffel Tower. Okay, very interesting. Should I tell my answer? This triangle is called Pascal's triangle. Okay, there was a very great man who discovered this number triangle where we can start with a very small number and then we can just add two numbers to get the next number, add two numbers to get the next number. And this triangle can start from this size and go up to any size you want to. You just keep on adding the numbers. Okay, so that person's name was Pascal and he made this number triangle. So that's why we call it Pascal's triangle. Okay. Got it? Got it? Does anyone has any questions? Any questions we have? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Suzy? Yes?
do we have whenever class khatam?
The class will be over in another 5 minutes. Okay.
In the 5 minutes.
I will tell you. Okay. One last thing that I want all of you to do. Can everyone tell me what is that one thing that they really liked about this class? Is there anything that you liked about this class that you want to share? Yes, Saran?
I love the triangle.
You love the triangle? Okay, I will share more triangle questions with you. I promise.
Ma'am, puzzles.
Puzzles, okay. Advita says puzzles. Yes, Anshu?
Also.
What?
Puzzles.
Okay, okay.
That diamond thingy.
The diamond thing. Okay, okay. So I'll share that with you. Okay, Chase, do you want to
But
say something?
I have a question.
Yes.
That what was the question that you were saying that I really like?
That was the first question. Those were super easy. I am a number, I come between this, I am odd. Those are very, very easy for you. You tried it with Mama also, no?
Oh, that
Yeah.
is the one.
Yes. Okay. Chase, do you want to say something?
Ma'am, you know, I like easy questions. I don't like difficult questions.
So, do you find questions difficult? These questions were difficult for you?
Yes, I didn't find a word question too.
But it's okay. We can help you.
Mehraj, do
What did you say?
I said I'm going to
What
help
did you
you
say?
again.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Could you send my mama more of these kinds
Yes.
of puzzles?
Yes, yes, I will share this with everyone, all those who have registered for the problem solving event.
My favorite was when I love blocks and I keep it in the table.
Oh, she's talking about those colored rods, I guess.
No, I like the triangle. It was like a tower.
Oh,
I also say my nice stories.
okay, okay. So we can have a story thing also. Mehraj, do you want to say something?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I like triangle.
You like triangles. Okay, everyone loves the Pascal triangle. Rhea, do you want to say
I
something? Okay.
also like triangle.
Triangle. They all love triangles. I
They
think
all love the triangle.
I don't.
You don't. Avyan did not like the triangle. Okay. Avyan, we'll not share the triangle.
But I liked looking at it.
Okay, okay. So we will share everything with you, especially all those who have registered for the problem solving competition. Okay, it's on 22nd December, and throughout the day you can just log in into your computer. Yes.
I only want triangle bricks.
Okay, okay. So you are going to receive your login ID details, and then you can solve all these puzzles. All the puzzles will be there. You solve them, and then you'll get shortlisted. Okay. Okay, so if you haven't registered, we will share the link with you again. You can register. Do we have any questions or anything that you want to share with us?
No.
No?
I have a question.
Yes, Avyan, what is your question?
I don't know which class is when.
Which class is when? That I'll tell you. That's not your issue. I'll tell you which class is when. Abhi to we have a class at 4 p.m. na today.
Yes, but I don't get it. Is it the normal class or is
It's not a class. I don't call it a class. It's a game session. We just play games. We solve riddles.
Oh yeah, it's Saturday.
Yeah, it's Saturday. And I am very happy you are here today.
What?
I am very happy. Bye, Saran. See you at 4 p.m. Bye, Avyan. Bye, everyone. Bye. Saran, are you going to stay till the end?